friends, it's Kimmy here. I'd like to welcome you to my infomercial, and we're going to talk about ice cream today, so to educate you as ice cream consumers. We will be comparing Ben & Jerry's chocolate fudge brownie with Eddie's fudge brownie. They're both chocolate, obviously. I would like to tell you and inform you about how much better Ben & Jerry's is. Like, really, it's just better, honestly. And reasons being, I have proof. Ben & Jerry's, let's introduce Ben & Jerry's. You open this up, sorry, it's melted, it's been out for a couple of hours. It is amazing, you can see it. And then they have huge chunks. And the chunks in Ben & Jerry's are huge but soft, and there's many throughout. And this is the whole pint. And they have so many flavors. It's amazing. They have chunks in every single one of their ice creams because Ben of Ben & Jerry's has a disease where he can only feel the textures. He can't taste food or ice cream, and it's really sad, actually, but that's why they have chunks in them. And I think just everybody enjoys a good pint of Ben & Jerry's every day, every now and then. And then Eddie's ice cream, only a few of them have chunks in them, like the chocolate chip, mint chocolate chip, and this, to name a few. And they're just the chocolate. The chocolate in Eddie's is not as, wow, that's chocolate, as much as Ben & Jerry's is. It's more like, oh, okay, it's alright. And if you go online, there are video clips of a blind taste test between Ben & Jerry's and Eddie's, or not particularly Eddie's, but Ben & Jerry's and other brands. And they're like, whoa, I like Ben & Jerry's better. Well, A or B. And they say that because the flavor is just so much there. You know, it's there. And then, in my case, you take Eddie's ice cream, and you're not impressed with the amount of flavor that's in there. There could be more, a lot more. The chunks are relatively small, very minuscule, almost not necessary. They need more, a lot more. Calorie-wise and health-wise, Eddie's is healthier. Honestly, it is. Ben & Jerry's has more calories. But when you're looking for good chocolate, it really doesn't matter the calorie count. Just, you want chocolate. I'd like to point out that Ben & Jerry's is eco-friendly. They have recent videos out on Facebook and internet, YouTube even, about how if you change 2 degrees Celsius of ice cream, it melts into a big mess, which is the same for the environment. You change the weather by 2 degrees, and the polar ice caps are melting. They are eco-friendly, trying to help the environment and, introduce to America the real issues that are going on. And Ben & Jerry's, they want to make everybody happy. They have so many different flavors, and look at, that's like a fancy design. They have a cow in every single one of their pints, and a mountain of chocolate on the side, or a mountain of ice cream. This one happens to be chocolate. They have, in the bottom, always a list of the ice cream and what's in the ice cream. And then they have information about Ben & Jerry's, and then the health facts. Health facts. And then Eddie's is not as eco-friendly as it's part of Nestle's company. Nestle owns Eddie's, and they're more about make the product, get the money, get people to buy it. That's all they want. And they have no original flavors as much as Ben & Jerry's does. And then their container, I don't know how it sells so much. There's a couple purple stuff on it, but it's just not as intriguing to look at if you compare the two. Like, you want to see what's on this. It looks cool. Let's eat the ice cream mountain. And more well known, Ben & Jerry's is very popular, especially around ages like once you outgrow Friendlies. It's from ages, say, 8 and up, actually. It's just Ben & Jerry's. If you ask a group of middle schoolers what they would like, Ben & Jerry's or Eddie's, and they're going to be like, let's eat Ben & Jerry's, because it's just, that's what they know. That's what they've always known. Brain freeze. Honestly, brain freeze. Brain freeze is, with Ben & Jerry's brain freeze, it makes you want more. And then Eddie's brain freeze, you're like, can I have some Tylenol? Like, take the medicine, go to bed, take a nap, put the ice cream away. And it's just like, Ben & Jerry's, you hurt so good.